Hi everyone, today we will be looking at P6 2021 SA2 Henry Park question number 16. Okay, so if you have the paper, you know you can take it out and do it together with me. Now, as you can see over here, blue stickers were sold in packets of 15 each. So what we want to do, we want to write down that blue stickers, one packet is equals to 15. All right, now once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 says that green stickers, one packet is equals to 40. All right. And what did Rini do? Rini bought 5 packets of blue stickers. Okay, so we know that Rini, she bought 5 packets. Rini, she bought 5 packets of blue stickers. So 5 packets of blue stickers, that means that she will have 75 blue stickers. And some packets of green stickers. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to show that for green, we don't know the exact amount, but we know that she has some. Okay, now once I'm done with that, I'm going to go on to Fatima. Okay, for Fatima, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to write down F for Fatima. Okay, she bought 13 packets of blue stickers. Okay, so we have over here blue, because she bought 13, so we will do 13 times 15, that is equals to 195 blue S. And for green, as you can see in sentence number 4, some packets of green stickers. Okay, so I would say the strategy here is to really break down the sentences, write down whatever you know first. Because if you were to read from the start all the way to the end, you'll be overwhelmed with information. And that's when students will come to me and tell me, hey, Teacher Joseph, I'm actually afraid of this question right now, or I don't know how to do this. It's not that you don't know, it's because you're too fearful to even think. All right, so I want you to write it down first, okay? Now, and then after that, I continue on to the next part. Both girls bought the same total number of packets of stickers. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to write down R and F, and we want to show that R's model bar should be of the same size as F. Okay, now these are packets. Okay, so according to sentence number 5, it says that both girls bought the same total number of packets of stickers. So what we want to do is we want to show, okay, that for R, she bought 5 packets. So we want to show 5 packets over here. Make sense? Okay, so what I can do over here, I can just put 5P. Okay, and as for F, she bought 13 packets. Okay, but we are going to break down 13 into 5 over here, and another one which is 8 packets. So once I'm done with this, I can assume, okay, or in fact, I am very certain that whatever that is over here would be for green. Whatever that is over here is also for green. Make sense? Okay, so once I'm done with that, okay, I can also further break this down into this, right? So we know that this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and we know that this is actually 8 packets as well, but it is for green. Okay, now once I'm done with this, right, I can actually read A. How many more green stickers did Rini buy than Fatima? So the word more over here means that they are comparing, isn't it? Okay, so whenever they are comparing, you have to find the difference. Okay, whenever they are comparing, you have to find the difference. Okay, so what is the difference over here? Let's take a look at the model bar. As you can see over here, okay, I'm just going to highlight whatever that is the same. Okay, we are talking about just the green stickers, right? Because they are comparing just the green stickers. So I'm just going to highlight the green stickers for Rini first. So the green stickers for Rini, and the green stickers for Fatima. Now, looking at this, right, isn't it obvious to you that the difference is simply just the 8 parts over here? Oh, sorry, not the 8 parts, but the 8 packets, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to find out what is 8 packets. Okay, so what I have over here is it's 8P, right? Okay, I'm just going to re-highlight that. Sorry about that. Okay, you can see over here, okay, that the difference is just 8P. Therefore, the answer for A has to be, since I have 8 packets, and that is the difference, I'm looking for just the difference, right? 8 times the number of green stickers in 1 packet, and that is, we know it's 40. All right, so therefore it's simply just 8 times 40. Okay, therefore you'll get 320 green stickers. Okay, so this is a question that is very similar to last year's PSLE, the Helen and Ivan's question, okay, the coins one, right? Okay, so this is another question that that you really need to know. Now, once I'm done with this, I can move on to the next part. So what did they say? They say that after Rini, part B, after Rini used 3/5 of her green stickers, okay, looking at Rini, so when I read this sentence, I realized that this is actually a before and after. This is a before and after question. And because this is a before and after question, we definitely want to draw a table. So I'm just going to quickly draw a table first. All right. And what I'll do is, because we are just talking about green stickers, I'm just going to put Rini over here, Fatima over here. Before, change, after. We use triangle to represent change, okay? So we are not going to spell out the full word, okay? Now, what I have over here is this, okay? Looking at Rini, we know that Rini, she has 1 unit plus 8 packets is 320, so we just plus 320. Right? Look at Rini, 1 unit plus 320. For Fatima, she has 1 unit. That's it. Simple. All right. And then what did Rini do? Rini used 3/5 of means times of her green stickers means 1 unit plus 320. All right. So you have to multiply to that. She did not use everything, but she used 3/5 of it. So 3/5 times 1 unit plus 320. This is equals to, all right, of course, 3/5 times 1 unit, that is equals to 3/5 unit. 3/5 times 320, that is 192. Okay, so it times 2 this. Okay, that is 192. So what we are going to do, we are going to write down 192. Now over here, right, because it's used, correct? So the word used should remind you or should prompt you to minus, okay? So once I'm done with this, I can minus it. 1 unit minus 3/5 unit, you will get 2/5 unit. All right, 320 minus 192, you will get 128. Simple, okay? And then after that, we go on to Fatima. Fatima used half of her green stickers, okay? So if we know it's half, we will just minus half, right? Or in fact, some of you will be like, hey, isn't off means times? Okay, sure. So we will just half times 1 unit, and eventually we will still get half. So we are just going to minus half. 1 unit minus half, that is simply just half a unit, correct? Now then after that, I continue on to the question. It says that they both had 452 green stickers left altogether. So what they are trying to tell you is that this entire part equals to 452. Okay, once I'm done with this, what I want to do is I want to write it out in an equation form. 2/5 units plus 128 plus half a unit is equals to 452. Okay, because we always use this principle, right? Same family sit together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two together. Okay, both of the units together. So we will have 2/5 plus half, and we will get 9/10 units over here equals to 452 minus 128. Now, why minus 128? Because when I shift 128 over, I will have to change the sign. Okay, whenever I cross over the equal sign, I will have to change the sign. So from plus, I will change to minus. Okay, now, so 452 minus 128, I will get, so 9/10 units is equals to 324. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to find 1/10 first. Okay, so 324 divided by 9, you will get 36. Okay, what I want to do next is I want to find my Mr. Green Man. Mr. Green Man, which means to say 10/10. Okay, so be very careful. A lot of my students, right, they would think that 1/10 is actually my Mr. Green Man, but no, 1/10 is not my Mr. Green Man. Okay, 10/10 is my Mr. Green Man. Mr. Green Man means the 1 unit. Okay, 10/10 is 1 whole, isn't it? So it is basically 360. Okay, now once you're done with this, what you want to do is you want to continue on reading the question, right? Because once Mr. Green Man comes out, it is like I would say a decade, right, for you to really read the question. It says how many blue and green stickers did Fatima buy altogether? Okay, now we look at Fatima's model bar. We can see that Fatima's model bar is simply just blue stickers, total 13 packets, plus 1 unit worth of green stickers, okay? So in order for me to find Fatima, I'm just going to write it out. Okay, for Fatima, okay, it is 13 packets of blue stickers, right? So therefore, we just times, okay, for blue stickers, 1 packet, 15. So we do 13 times 15 plus 1 unit, because 1 unit of green, which is 360 green stickers. Okay, so we do 13 times 15 plus 360. That is the reason why my answer is 555 green and blue stickers. Okay, so that's how you do a question like that. Okay, so remember, break it down, do it part by part, be patient, you will eventually get to your answer. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for your time. And I hope that this is of great value to you. Okay, don't give up, continue to practice, and remember to always annotate. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.